Hi gang, this is Dave, Lawnmower Man. Try this feature on YouTube. Just shoot a video with my phone camera on the YouTube app. And what you're seeing here is, we called it my Christmas present. Genuine Chinese made camcorder. Really excellent camera. Try to zoom in on that. This is the top. Of course, these are the buttons. Mode button is very important when how to switch back and forth between taking still pictures and video. This is it's on charge right now, so that I shut it off. Really simplistic layout there. Power turns it on and off. Menu button. To the right of the menu button is playback, or bring up your series of pictures, and scroll up and down, or the OK button to select when you're in menu mode. Pretty fantastic quality videos and pictures and audio, and I'm going to use this sometime today, I hope, to make some kind of a review video maybe at home. I'm going to try using this. I said it before. I'm going to try to post more videos, and using this, I think, is a huge step up. Again, it's we got it off of Amazon, and I was on Amazon one day looking for car parts for our 07 Chevy Cobalt, and found this. It came up an advertisement for Amazon. They called it a lightning sale. It was priced normally at $64 and I think 66 cents or 88 cents, something like that. But the lightning sale put it at the sale price of $44.22. And so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I snapped it up and ordered it. It came, 3 or 4 days, and I opened it up to make sure it was all there and working. This gift card was included, and it was selected as random to, I had my choice: get the camera for free, get a exact duplicate of the same camera, or get that dollar amount, $44.22, in Amazon gift card. So that's what we chose, and have yet to use it, but you had to go online and do a review on Amazon of the camera, and I failed to post a video with it because I still at that time didn't know how to use it. But I'm starting to learn how to use it. It's a pretty decent video, like I said, and essentially we got it for free. And go ahead and order something for Estelle, my wife, on Amazon. And in the meantime, just hope you're all enjoying the new year. Happy New Year. And this is the booklet for it. I don't know Chinese, so no offense, liberals. I'll trying to decipher their translation of this book into English. But anyhow, also the other day, order came of our, we ordered some pens from that national pen company, and yeah, this is a mini review of them. So keeping one out of the box in my pocket, and yeah, things tend to get scratched up in man's pocket with change and whatnot. But we got soaked about $88, I think it was total, for that order of pens, 100 pens total. Don't use them. I might end up using these pens as a giveaway or on my channel or something. But I sure don't advocate mail order print shops for pens anyway. One, I made some business cards, forget that print shop, but they're okay for business cards, stuff like that. Anyhow, enough for now. Let y'all go 6 minutes, and hope y'all again, like I said, had a good Christmas and have a happy New Year. .24 megapixel, 16 power zoom on there. It's pretty awesome. Just that loose nut behind the wheel, learning how to use it right now. So anyhow, take it easy, and see y'all later on YouTube. Bye.